Hello there. In this video I'm going to take a look at what is an interim barring order right after this break. Firstly, what is a barring order? A barring order is an order which directs the respondent, so you have an applicant and a respondent in domestic violence proceedings. It directs the respondent to leave the premises where the applicant lives and prevents the respondent from returning to the premises until the court allows. In making a barring order, which is a serious order obviously, the court must be satisfied that the safety or welfare of the applicant justifies making the order. A barring order can last for up to 3 years. An interim barring order then is an order which the court can make to cover the period of time between the initial application or commencement of legal proceedings by the applicant and the hearing of the substantive action. The criteria that the court uses is whether the applicant is in immediate risk of significant harm and the granting of a protection order would not be sufficient to protect the applicant. An interim barring order can be applied for on an ex parte basis, that is, by one person, but will be limited in duration to 8 working days in the interests of fair procedure. I've mentioned a protection order earlier on there. A protection order does not put the respondent out of the family home, but does order him or her not to use violence, threats, molestation or any other violence against the applicant. So that's basically what an interim barring order is. It's an interim order, a temporary order pending the hearing of the substantive action, which is for a barring order which excludes the respondent from the premises.